Hello everybody, welcome to Deep Ocean Well. I'm today's host. Recently, I received complaints from some marine animals. Let's listen what they have experienced. Let's welcome our first guest, Nana.
Hello everyone, this is Nana. I missed 2 plastic bags for a jellyfish when I was having dinner with my friends the other day, which caused my stomach to be filled with plastic bags. Oh, my stomach hurts again. I need to go. Bye.
Okay, next. Let's welcome our second guest, Lala.
Hello everyone, I am Lala. I was very angry. I was caught in a fishing net on my way to school, so I was late for school. When I arrived school, my teacher was mad at me.
Nothing. You misunderstand. Then what's your thoughts, Sasa?
Yesterday, when my sister and I were playing hide and seek, my sister was caught in a fishing line and almost died.
Let's thanks for the 3 guests. Here we appeal everyone to take care of marine animals. This is Crab. Thanks for watching. Bye.